Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Warnego, local and long distance movers near me. A long distance move happens when you transport your belongings over a distance above 50 miles. An interstate relocation occurs within a state. Transporting your belongings across state lines is an interstate move. 3 Movers offers efficient long distance moves as well. Work with state and federal relocation authorities to move your belongings within or outside the state. Our movers pay attention to every instruction you have and provide expert suggestions. They also help in the sorting, labeling, and loading of your belongings, and our trucks have special compartments where you position and secure your items. Our drivers are also cautious and have years of experience driving over 50 miles. They know the different rules that guide highway trips and follow these rules. At the agreed time, your belongings get to you, and our insurance covers risk liability during the move. Although local moves cover less than 50 miles, it also needs expert planning and execution. Whether you're moving down the block or to another part of town, many processes are involved. It would help to hire professional movers to prevent any stress and disappointment. 3 Movers is always ready to respond to your calls. We know all the routes in Warnego, Kansas, and use the fastest and safest ways when transporting your belongings. We have a long list of happy clients that have enjoyed our exceptional and thorough services. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Warnego moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.